Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you step by step how to add payment options in Google Forms easily and quickly. You might want to add payments if you are providing services, taking books or reservation, collecting consulting fees or hosting paid events or trainings. Adding payments to your form makes it seamless for clients to submit their responses and pay at the same time. First, you have to head over to the Google Forms. Go to the Google Forms, login. So, for example, here you can see I have a bunch of Google Forms. You can create a form from here by clicking on this blank form. You can create custom Google Forms. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go with this one. So, and if you want to edit them, you can edit them. For example, like if you want to add some money, like if you want to add some employee moral training, like this. And if you want to add some money, you can add here. And if you want to add more, you can just simply tap onto plus and you can add more questions. You can also add images from here, from at your Google Forms. You can use multiple choice or drop down for these options. Now here's how you can add options. You have to go to the top toolbar and click on the puzzle piece icon. Like this one. Like this is for ads on. You have to click on this called, wait, let me see the name. Get ads on, tap onto this. To open the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for payable forms like this. Here you can see this payable forms. Search for this. It is a trusted add-on that lets you easily accept payments. Click install and allow the necessary permissions. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this first option, tap onto install. Log in with your Gmail account, then tap continue. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap allow. It is a trusted and safe app, so don't worry, just give all the informations there. Now you have to tap done. So as you can see, it is installing. Wait until the installation is complete. Now you have to tap on to get started. Now you have to set up your language, like what language you wish to add. There are a lot of languages which you can add. Just to choose the one, but for me I will keep it at the default English. Now you have to choose your home country, like where are you from. Choose the country. There are a lot of options like islands, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Guatemala, etc. Just choose the country you wish to proceed with, like your home country. Then you have to enter your currency like USD, AUD. It can be UK pounds or euro. It can be anything. Just choose your currency, but for the purpose of this video I'm gonna choose US dollars. So everything is set up now. Set it up now. Tap onto this notify me about new features and enhancement. Like from here you can get new features. You can get to know about new features and enhancement. Now you have to tap on to look good. So you can see okay, HN and etc. Now you have to tap on to next getting started video. Now you have to tap on to close window. Here you can see payable forms like auto configure and sheet, sync theme with checkout, and more. So this is how you can add mm, payments on your Google Forms. Now tap on to see the connected Google Sheet. Now let's talk about alternative way. Okay, so another easy method is by using an add-on called PayQ. So first of all, you have to tap onto this three dot option, then you have to tap onto this puzzly icon called get ads on. Tap onto this, and from there on the search bar you have to search for PAY then Q, PayQ. Wait, PayQ. Here you can see this. Tap onto it, search for it, and then tap install, and then tap onto install. So after installation, click ads on PayQ and then open it. So set up your account and link it with your Google Form and Google Sheet. Once connected, you can collect payments directly through the form. So that's pretty much it. Now you know how to add payment option in Google Forms easily. Tap done. So if you want to uninstall this, just simply click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled from your Google Forms. And that's it. Now you can easily accept payments through your Google Forms. So if this video helped you, I hope this helped you, this video found you helpful. So make sure to leave a like, comment, and tap the bell icon. So, and if you have any questions, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.